guys said that this propane torch wouldn't get my exhaust headers hot enough to be able to bend them, so we got ourselves a porta torch. Today, we're going to be unboxing it and getting it ready for use. Let's get started. You're going to want to watch all the way to the end to see why this Lincoln Electric is the way to go. And if you go with an off-brand, you may run into some issues. We picked this Lincoln Electric porta torch up at Home Depot for $419 plus some sales tax. We've used it in several applications so far since we've gotten it, and we absolutely love it. And we're not getting paid to say that. Enjoy the video. Make sure you wear your safety glasses here. There's a reason they come with, so you don't hurt your eyes. Not just from the metal possibly flying up at you, but also from the bright light for those of you that have never used a torch like this before. I also picked up a couple extra glasses from Airgas when I swapped out my tanks to make sure that anybody helping me out would be protected as well. Before we get to putting things together, make sure you don't muscle it too hard because everything's made out of brass. And if you know why, let us know in the comments below. One of the reasons why this Lincoln Electric kit is the kit to get, the tanks are DOT certified. Some of the cheap ones you're going to find online, on Amazon. The tanks aren't DOT certified, so you're not going to be able to swap them out and really even use your equipment. So Lincoln Electric, all the way. The gauges have different size ports on them, so you don't get confused on which tank they go on. Again, don't muscle them too hard. Cool safety feature on the hoses is the acetylene is threaded backwards on the tank and the torch so that you don't get your gases mixed up. Right here. We almost forgot, Jake. Gotta cut that off. Style. Everything's like yellow, green now. Tanks do come empty. We're gonna get them filled up and we'll be right back. We have our acetylene set to 5 psi. That'll go back down once we open it up. And then we got our oxygen set to 20. Exactly. See? If you enjoyed watching this video, check out the porta torch playlist in the upper left. That's going to be all of our videos using this porta torch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next episode.